Welcome to all of you for Thermal Engineering Lecture Series. Myself, Faraday Kishore, Mechanical Engineering Department, Shivajirao Ajjonde Polytechnic, Asangaon. In this video, we are going to discuss about the properties of system. Learning outcomes. Student will able to define properties of given system. Also, the student will able to differentiate between intensive and extensive properties. Now, what is properties of system? Every system has certain characteristics by which its physical condition may be described. Example, volume, temperature, pressure, etc. Such characteristics are called as properties of system. Example, pressure, temperature, density, etc. These are examples of properties of system. Now, pause the video, think and write down the answer. Electrical conductivity belongs to which type of property of system? So, dear student, you will get the answer of reflection spot. We will discuss about the properties types. So mainly there are two types of properties. First one is the intensive properties and second one is the extensive properties. So intensive properties, the properties which are independent on mass of the system is called as intensive properties. Example, pressure, temperature, density, etc. These are examples of intensive properties. If you consider density, for 1 liter of water, the mass density is 1000 kg per meter cube. And similarly, for 1000 liter of water, the mass density is also 1000 kg per meter cube. Means the mass density is not depend on the mass of the system. So, the mass density is an intensive property. Now, we will get the answer of reflection spot. The electrical conductivity is an intensive property because the electrical conductivity is not depend upon the quantity of the matter present in the system. The electrical conductivity is depend upon the type of matter present in the system. So here in this figure, the copper wire is wounded in the form of bundle. So electrical conductivity for one piece of the copper wire or one bundle of copper wire will remain same. Means the electrical conductivity of a substance is an intensive property. Similarly, silver, gold, copper are excellent electrical conductors, while the glass and plastic are poor conductor of electricity. So, a larger or smaller piece of glass will not change this property. An intensive property is a property of the matter that depends only on type of matter in a sample and not on the amount. So other intensive properties include color, temperature, density and solubility, etc. Second property is the extensive property. The properties of a system which depend on mass of the system is called as a extensive properties. Example, total volume, total mass, enthalpy, entropy, weight, total energy, etc. These are the examples of extensive properties. For better understanding of the extensive properties, look this figure. Here, we are transferring the milk from container to the glass. Means the quantity of the milk in the glass will get rise and the quantity of the milk in the container will get decreases. Means total mass of the milk in a glass is more as compared to total mass of the milk in the container. In this way, the total mass is an extensive property because it is depend on the quantity of the matter present in the system. So dear students, from this video you will now sort out the different type of properties in intensive property and extensive property, because in Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education in MSBT exam for thermal engineering, the examiner will ask sort out the following properties in intensive properties and extensive properties. So now you are ready to answer this question. Now we will summarize. An extensive property is a property that depends on the amount of matter in a sample. Mass and volume are examples of extensive properties. An intensive property is a property of the matter that depends only on type of matter in a sample but not on the amount. Color, temperature and solubility are examples of intensive properties. So in this way, we had learned the properties of system and their types. So stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.